happy and good morning everybody. A very
Good morning,
happy.
sir.
So it's my pleasure. I'm Uttam Agarwal. I head the wealth business in Bajaj Capital. So it's my pleasure to welcome everybody here today and thank you for sparing your valuable time on this lovely Sunday. And I can see many of our clients from South India, from Western India, Eastern India, and obviously from Delhi and nearby places. So it's always pleasure to connect with all of you and share with you all of you the best opportunities, the knowledge of what is going on, macros and micros and other things. So today we have a very interesting topic on fixed income, how we can get high assured guaranteed returns and what is the science behind it. So we have, our managing director, Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj, also with us today, who would also be sharing his thoughts. We have our solution head, Mr. Vinay Taluja, who has again vast experience in creating excellent solutions for all of us. And then we have our special guest, Mr. Manish Sharma from HDFC Life, who is the main presenter and would be talking about how this high guaranteed returns are possible even today when the rates have been falling, so drastically. So it's a very interesting theory and how we can go about it. So I will not speak anymore. So I will now straight away invite our solution head, Vinay Taluja, for taking it forward. So thank you once again and over to you, Vinay. Thank you.
Thank you, Uttamji, and good morning all. Thank you for joining us today. Lovely Monday morning. While sipping a cup of tea, I'm sure you can enjoy this presentation from the comfort of your home. So there are some benefits definitely out of lockdown. We don't have to walk out to attend a presentation also now. Okay, so today, as Mr. Uttam talked about, we are going to talk about some unique solutions on the debt side. Because most of our clients always want some kind of safety and guarantee as income available to them. So just before we start about it, I wanted to take a few minutes about how do we go about selecting products for you and what all is today available, which is hot on demand from our client side. So as we see that COVID or Corona has created some clear challenges, especially on financial and health well-being. So a lot of our clients are also talking about not just investment products, that what kind of protection products especially they can seek for in current scenario. So broadly, if we talk about, there are two category of products on protection side. One is your health insurance, especially Corona specific health insurance policies which are available. A lot of our questions are being asked by our clients that the normal health insurance policy, Mediclaim policy which they buy, does this also cover Corona, and do they need to buy a separate Corona policy even if they have an existing health insurance policy? Second, a lot of our clients are talking about life insurance, term insurance policies, which are pure protection oriented policies. And in these times where they are not able to go out, how would they be buying these policies if they are not properly insured on term insurance? So I would like to quickly take two of these hot topics which are regularly coming as queries from our clients before we move on to debt instruments as a product solution. So as Bajaj Capital friends, as you know that being into investment and insurance advisory for long now, we have virtually tie-ups on behalf of our clients with all major manufacturers in the country across all product lines, because our endeavor is to ensure that whatever best on the table is made available, we bring it for you. So whether it is health insurance, all health insurance policies are made available through Bajaj Capital for our clients. A normal health insurance policy, of course, do cover all illness, including corona-related hospitalization. But we have seen in the past that a lot of our clients have taken smaller sum assured ranging from 3 to 5 to 7 lakh rupees on a family floater basis. So there what we suggest is there are few products available currently. Quickly, I will not take much time on that, which are corona specific hospitalization related covers. And we make them available through our website and through our RMs to you. So if you buy this product, you will ensure that you don't unnecessarily touch your main policy, which may be required by any other family member for any other illness during the whole year, especially in the times when your sum assured on the main health insurance policy is smaller and you don't now have the time to increase that sum assured. So there are few excellent corona specific health insurance policies available, which can be bought separately for as low as 2 to 3,000 rupees per person for a 5 lakh cover, which will ensure that in case, unfortunately, somebody gets hospitalized, the claim will be borne under that policy. So that is about health insurance quickly. Then a lot of queries are coming to us that we had bought a lot of investment oriented policies, a lot of mutual funds also from you, but we forgot to earlier buy a life insurance cover. So is it possible without stepping out of home or without undergoing any medical, can I buy a term insurance policy? Or if I already have a term insurance policy, can I enhance the cover by increasing or by taking another policy? So the answer is definitely yes, friends. There is huge abundance of various life insurance, term insurance plans currently available in the country, where you do not need to undergo any medical test physically. So physical medical tests are not mandatory up to a certain sum assured, depending upon the age which you are at. Just to give you an example, covers up to 3 crores of sum assured for a person up to age 35 can be bought just digitally signing a proposal form, and a doctor will consult you over the phone. So this is called telemedical underwriting. So without undergoing any physical medicals, up to 3 crore of sum assured for a person age 35, he can buy a term insurance plan just by speaking to the doctor over the phone. So if overall his health is fine, he'll be issued policies in couple of days. And this is not just available up to age 35. For ages as high as up to 55, covers up to 50 lakh rupees are available on telemedical basis. So friends, my point here was a lot of our clients get confused that I don't have a cover, but I don't want to go out. I don't want to even meet a paramedical team to take my blood samples, etc. Can I still be covered on a term insurance? So yes, the answer is yes. Up to 3 crore or 50 lakhs depending on the age, sitting in the comfort of your home using the help of your Bajaj Capital RM, you can get yourself adequately insured. And of course, the cost of these policies are not very high. So just to give you an example, a 1 crore of policy for a person age 40 can be bought around 16,000 rupees per annum, where he can be covered up to age 60. And of course, there are products available where you can get covered for whole of life or covered up to age 75 or 80 also, depending upon your requirements. So friends, my point was that if you have any question, please don't hesitate and ask your RM today, because there may be a solution around the corner. So unless we think that we are not going to buy this policy, we don't need it, my suggestion would be that these products are readily, freely available and are easy to execute for you even in these times. So with this, I would like to invite now Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj, who is our Vice Chairman and Joint Managing Director. He would also talk to us about the various product offerings what Bajaj Capital offers today, especially on debt side. Over to you, Mr. Bajaj. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Vinay. Vinay, it's actually joint chairman and managing director. But it's good to be here. It's good to be talking to all of you. I know, everybody is looking forward to coming down to the topic of guaranteed return insurance plans. And today these plans are offering as high as 5.8% tax-free interest after all expenses, and in addition they also give life cover. So point is that if you were to take a pure investment return, like a lot of financial planners, I am also a financial planner. I've done my CFP, but a lot of financial planners will say that why don't you debundle? Why don't you buy investment separately, insurance separately? But even if you debundle, then the return even goes out, because these plans are coming with a life insurance built in. So which is like, as per the law, to give a tax-free product, the life insurance has to be at least 10 times of the premium paid. So if you decide to go for 20,000 rupees per month, so which is a 2.4 lakh rupees per annum, you will minimum get a 24 lakh rupee life cover. Otherwise, the product cannot be tax-free. So friends, I know Manish will go into this in a much more detail. But what I wanted to tell you that there are two types of basically insurance available. One is called a par product and one is called a non-par product. So what I'm personally very excited about is a product called non-par products, because in a par product the concept is that whatever insurance company earns on its investments, less the expenses, whatever is the surplus, 90% of that has to be shared with the policy holders. So this used to be a fantastic concept earlier when the costs were very, very low. But over a period of time, the costs of insurance companies, their own cost, their own distribution, because every insurance company wants to build a huge distribution. The cost of the insurance companies had gone up very high. So at the end of the day, the concept was that most of these par plans were not giving a very good returns. And this actually gave a bad name to the insurance industry, where people said, look, insurance cannot stand up to being an investment. But whereas if you understand, most of these insurance companies have very long-term funds, they are very strong companies, they have very large capital bases, and they have very strict product norms. So they have to invest 70% of the money still has to be invested in government securities, and the remaining money has to be invested in AAA rated and a very high quality investments. So there's a new concept, or not a new concept, but a concept which is getting popular. These are called non-par plans. These are called guaranteed return plans, because whatever is promised on the illustration is actually guaranteed by the insurance company. And so these are guaranteed plans. So and if their insurance company is not able to make up for the guarantee, then the shareholders have to stand up for the guarantee. So this products become very, very good, is because then there is no question of that I was promised this and I got this. So whatever you see on the illustration is what you will get. Whatever is written on the policy. There have been some amazing plans in the past. If some of you are old Bajaj Capital customers, if you I remember when I came into Bajaj Capital about 25 years ago, we had selected a product called Jeevan Suraksha, which we used to sell then, which was from LIC. It was a non-par plan, pension plan, and that was promising a 12% guaranteed return increase when it started, and at 12%. So, at that time, the interest rates in the market were 14-15%. And people used to say, yaar, main 12% kyun loon? I don't want a 12% guarantee, it's too less. But if you look at it from a, a company like LIC, if you're getting a 12% guaranteed compounding growth, okay, and your money, and you're going to get a 1% per month interest rate, I think these are fantastic plans. So similarly, same thing I would like to say about these guaranteed return plans, especially my Sanchay Plus is one of my favorite plans, which HDFC Manish is going to be presenting. It's giving a 5.7 to 5.8% depending on the age, and you can see the exact kind of returns that you will be getting. So point is, this is a beautiful plan. I have personally bought it for my children, where the concept they have a concept where you pay a premium for 10 years, you wait for 1 year, and then you get money back for 25 years, and then you get the corpus back. Now this is personally, I bought it for both my children, where on their, every month they will get us, gift from my side for the next, 25 years, after 10 years, so which is going to be 35 years. So this is something, like it's a very emotional, touchy thing, which I wanted to do. And I know that, because asset allocation is everything. You don't put all your money into equity, you don't put all your money into debt. The right thing is that we have to have the right asset allocation, where we have to go into various asset quality. Even in equity, a lot of us in India are not looking at feeder funds. So why should all our money only be in India? Why should we not be investing in the top tech companies of US, which are now likely to do very, very well? And the index has done fantastically well. It is very expensive at the moment, but it's always a good time to start a SIP, and to invest in these international funds through India is actually the cheapest. So, a lot of our clients we are advising to make SIP. So in your allocation, you have a debt portion. Out of that debt portion, you should definitely look at guaranteed returns. Today, 5.8% may not sound too much, but what India wants to achieve, that India wants to be a manufacturing powerhouse. No country can become a manufacturing powerhouse unless the interest rates come down to 2%, 3%. If the banks are lending at 2-3%, then they have to borrow at 1.5-2%. So you have to understand that these, there is a very high likelihood. Yes, things can always go wrong and things can change, but there is a very high likelihood that interest rates are going to go down, and especially if India wants to achieve its made in India dream, and that's the only way India will get a stable and a strong economy. Because what happens with manufacturing is that a lot of investments are made, to set up a factory, to bring in the machinery. But whereas in services that we had been seeing, you have seen in a call center, it's very easy to set up, and it's also very easy to pick up a call center and move it back to US or move it to Philippines or move it to Vietnam. But if India wants long-term growth, it needs to have manufacturing. And in order to have manufacturing, interest rates will have to be reduced. So friends, whatever age you are, you have to today look at asset allocation, some part of equity into your portfolio, and at the same time also pick up some of these guaranteed return plans if you have the time, and they will definitely make great sense. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, later on. So I know all of you are eagerly awaiting for Manish to start his presentation. So I'll hand over to Manish, and Manish, please take it forward.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Sanjeev. You sum up it so well, and I must say that sometimes it's just a single line, like you were just sharing that you bought it for your kids. I was just imagining it. Actually, I have a daughter; she's 3.5 years old. So I was just imagining when you were just explaining it that okay, yeah, when she will start going probably college, she may not like every month asking pocket money from me. And probably we are in a new setup now. Probably it makes sense that there is something landing in her account automatically. So uh, I always used to say, I always used to think that probably giving this example doesn't practically go well. But when you were talking about it and I was listening it very carefully and I was imagining it, actually it's a wonderful idea. So thanks for giving me that motivation. And hi, good morning to all of you. And thanks to whole Bajaj Capital team, Mr. Sanjeev, Mr. Uttam, Mr. Vinay, Yogesh, Pooja, and all for hosting this. And thanks for the privilege. I'm here. I hope I'm audible, and I hope you guys can see me.
Yes, Manish.
So nice of you. Thank you. Just a technical tip in case some of you using mobile to go through this presentation. I used to do this mistake, so I'm telling you. Most of the time, I used to take my hand set on vertical position. So please make it a horizontal place so that you can view the whole presentation properly. So I'm now sharing my screen and going directly on the agenda of the day. Just a second. So, the agenda of the day, how the impossible is made, I am possible. And here we are referring this to this guaranteed product. So before I deep down into this product, I want to address three things here. Why? Why this product? What it is going to do for you, for me, and how we are doing that. So what, why, how, that is what we are going to address in this product. And please don't get that this is just a very big slide and what I'm going to talk about. Just focus on uh, the lines which are on bold. I'm talking three things here which impact our investments: inflation, rate of interest, right? And in any country, the safest bet, any government's bonds. So for example, for us, GSEC. So what I'm going to share with you is that how they've been last 10 years or 20 years, what is the projection, how they are going to be, and then we'll be joining the dots that why this product, can it address these so big topics. So this data is available on Google. Source is mentioned at the bottom, and we are talking about that in March 2020, inflation rate was revised to 5.84. Just in summary, that one line is enough for all of us as a data point. There's a statistics that in India, I'm talking about now the second paragraph stat. Inflation rate in India averaged 6.01% from 2012 to 20. So last 8 years, the average inflation was 6%. All-time high in last 20 years, it was 12.17%, and here we are talking about retail inflation. And the lowest, it was a data for me, that lowest was also in 2017 June, that is 1.54. Fine, just a data point. But what about future forecast? So this particular slide is saying that inflation rate is expected to be 4.50 by end of this quarter. And if you see the last line, projected to trend around 4.50% in 2021 and 4.10% in 2020. So how it is impacting us? How it is impacting our investments? So here it's a small data and interpretation. So I'm summarizing here in red font color that okay, forecast short term is 5.2, and this we are talking about inflation only, and long term it is 4.5. Now all of you are seasoned investors. You've been associated with Bajaj Capital, and thanks to them that they have made you very savvy investors. So all of you know that always we have to look for an instrument which is giving me a real return, and real return is nothing but if instrument is giving you say 6% return and inflation is also 6%, so actually your return is zero, real return, right? You can zoom your screens. I will also zoom it for you, right? So here I'm just giving example. These are not the like that this is return of last 10 years or something like that. No, these are just indicative figures, assumptions we have taken that okay, fixed income, what could be the range? So 5 to 6.50, and if inflation is going to be 4.50, so either it can be a negative return if we are not into a right instrument. Now giving a small example, that State Bank of India saving account rate of interest is 2.50 these days, and if by any chance if you forget that money in your saving account for a year or 2 years. So actually it's not growing by 2.5, it is negative return. Although gold is last 1 year has given huge returns, but I'm just putting a figure, and the point what I'm trying to address over here is that let's look for real return. In this slide, one thing which is missing is, for example, fixed income. You got some investment at 6.50. Inflation was 4.5. And 6.50, you're also giving tax 25, 30, 35. So for sure, it's a real return on your investments is negative. So what we can do about it? Okay, interest rates. Mr. Sanjeev was talking about those golden days, and also give us a very good learning that when there was a product available at 12%, some of us didn't choose that, and we said no, 14% FD is better. This slide is talking about that, for example, if you see the stat thing, here we are talking about that there was a time in 2000 when it was 14% 50. I'm talking about interest rates. And 2000 till 2020, the average was 6.59. And here in April, it was 4.25. After that, RBI did another rate cut. So now, just 20 years back, it was 4.50. Then last 10 years, average was 6.59. What next? Statistics says it should be in this range. So in last slide, we spoke about real return, and here some data is indicating that interest rates are going to fall more, as very well rightly said by Mr. Sanjeev, that if we have to become a manufacturing hub, and if funding has to be low cost, so loans has to be low cost, so this rate has to go down, and that is what these stats are talking about. How it is impacting me and you? That is the question. So once again, here I'm summarizing that, okay, repo rate has gone to 4%. Last 10-year average was 6.49. They are predicting now 3.75. And if you want 6%, approximately 7% return, so, and if you are into 15 lakh tax bracket, right? So you have to have an instrument which is giving you 10% return. Now, in my limited knowledge, I don't know any fixed income product which can give me 10% return. They may, but how safe they are, I can't comment. Now, there was something similar in this slide to my product. We have one option where the IRR goes up to 5.75. So it's not 5.75 which you are getting if you're in this tax bracket. Actually, you are getting this 8.4, because you have to get this 5.7 post tax. Someone has to look for an investment option of 8.4. Is it available? Is it secure? You have to decide. Now, fixed income means what? Fixed income means what? I can buy double B, I can buy double A, I can buy triple A, I can buy Government of India bonds, because any fixed instrument has to be backed by a security. Now, all of us are here looking for a fixed income solution where there should not be any defaults and various bad experiences. So what is the safest bet? Safest bet is India government bond. Now, how last 20-22 years these bonds behaved, right? What was their average coupon, their yield? Or so if you see last 10 years, the bond yield was 5.77. Historically, if I talk stat, it also there 14.46. So once again, Mr. Sanjeev's that input get verified, that there, because probably some young generation people who are on this call, they may are not able to connect. कह रहे अच्छा इतना rate of interest था क्या कभी? So yes, it was. And why it was there? Because even government used to borrow at this rate. And if government is borrowing at this rate, so you can make it out what about AAA, AA, and AA minus. But let's not deviate. So what point we have to take from here? That the forecast is that 10-year GSEC is expected to be 5.82%, and it is trading at 5.99. So what we have to conclude? We have to conclude that inflation is going to be there. Okay. Sorry. Inflation is going to be there. How inflation is impacting my real return, right? And how interest rates are just falling, and in what range they can be. And sorry guys, and if you are into 30% tax bracket, so to get some 5% plus return, you have to look for a 8% plus FD. And is there any what is the kind of possibility, availability of these bonds, and what rate can be? So rates are available at 5.82. Now this one slide is talking
Manish,
about,
we have some
yeah,
requests from clients if we can use a mix of Hindi and English.
Okay, perfectly fine.
Thank you.
ये 3 slides बड़ा simple है. They are talking about आपका पैसे का value कैसे because of inflation is going down, और inflation यहाँ पे stay करेगा. Inflation would be 4.50 as per this data. हम बात करते हैं that हमें सिर्फ real, हमें सिर्फ exact return नहीं देखना, हमें real rate of return we have to see. And rate of return is nothing but आपका जो प्रिंसिपल पे आपको रिटर्न आया माइनस इन्फ्लेशन. तो इस एग्जांपल में मैं ये बताने का कोशिश कर रहा था कि आपको लगता है कि probably you are getting 4-5-6% रिटर्न, बट एक्चुअली रिटर्न आपका मे बी नेगेटिव है if the inflation is high. So ये सेकंड थिंग आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल हियर. दूसरा मैं बात कर रहा था कि इंटरेस्ट रेट्स अभी बढ़ेंगे या they are going to go down. So we spoke about two things कि फ्यूचर में इंटरेस्ट रेट काफी हाई थे पिछले 20 सालों में, एंड ये एवरेज इंटरेस्ट रेट क्या रहा है और आने वाला इंटरेस्ट रेट क्या रहेगा. सो द फोरकास्ट इज 3.75, राइट. देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अगर ये इस तरह का टैक्स रेट रहने वाला है 3.75 वाला, और आपको कोई एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए जो अगर इन्फ्लेशन 4.5% है, फॉर एग्जांपल 4% इन्फ्लेशन है, तो आप कहते हैं यार कम से कम मेरा पैसा नेगेटिव तो नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट. उसका परचेजिंग पावर उतना तो रहे जितना पहले था, तो कम से कम मेरे को इन्फ्लेशन के ऊपर 2% रिटर्न तो दो टैक्स फ्री. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको इन्फ्लेशन के ऊपर 2% टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न चाहिए, तो आपको सिक्योरिटी भी चाहिए, तो आप 30% टैक्स ब्रैकेट में है, तो आपको अप्रोक्सीमेट 8-8.5% का रिटर्न ढूंढना पड़ेगा. दैट इज वो मैं समरी यहां से करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूं. और मैं ये बात कर रहा हूं कि इट्स अ वेरी लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन कि अरे आपका AA, AAA तो डिफॉल्ट हो रहा है, इतना कुछ इंडस्ट्री में चल रहा है, तो आप कहां से लाएंगे ये वाला इंटरेस्ट, कैसे दे पाएंगे आप लोग, इतना डिमांड है, इतना सिक्योरिटी है मार्केट में. तो ये अगर आप स्लाइड देखेंगे, ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का ऑक्शन का डेटा है. दैट 2014 में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कितना ऑक्शन किया फॉर सिक्योरिटीज, और फाइनेंशियल ईयर 20 में कितना पैसा दे वांट टू टेक फॉर वेरियस थिंग्स. सो विच इज एक्चुअली 6.82 ट्रिलियन, 6,82,000 करोड़. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फिगर, राइट. सो what does that mean? कि इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है मार्केट में, बट वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बाय कर रहा है आपके लिए, यू हैव टू लुक फॉर दैट ऑप्शन, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, इसमें एक और आप डेटा देखेंगे, मोर देन 15 ईयर्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जब GSEC और बॉन्ड्स इशू करती है, 35% आर लॉन्ग टर्म, मींस मोर देन 15 ईयर्स, 15, 20, 30, 40।
Manish, hi, this is Pooja. Can I request you, can you just speak in English because people from South are not able to understand in Hindi.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So I'll use both of them. So now, this is, I personally found this particular slide very interesting. I'm trying to address that from where these returns can be captured, can be, so now I'm saying that if there is any instrument, any product which is primarily into Government of India bonds, this slide gives us an idea that Government of India has plans to do auction of bond worth 6.82 trillion, which is nothing but 6,82,000 crores. Point number 1. Point number 2, this red bar, which is showing that when Government of India do borrowing through various instruments, more than 35% of the borrowings are long term. And what is the definition of long term here? 15 years, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So Government of India can borrow as high as 40 years. Why I'm telling you all this? Because there's a connection of this with my product. Number 1. Number 2, if you can read this line, auction of more than 15 years maturity bonds has been 33% on average, facilitates writing an annuity business at scale. Now, your EPFO, your PPF, from where they give interest, they also give interest by buying these securities. And this slide is talking about that if you have to, this slide is actually for manufacturer, more of means life insurance companies and all, and they are talking about that annuities. If annuities business has to run in India, what is the supply? Supply is huge, and 33% of annuity business can be done with this long-term borrowing of government. Sorry if it's a bit confusing, but I'll tell you why I've shown it to you. This slide also I want to show you. This is one of the slides in our investor presentation, which is talking about what we are talking about. Improvement in life expectancy will lead to increased retirement period. All of us know average age is increasing in India. If it is increasing, so that means your golden years, retirement age years, they are going to grow. So what I'm saying here, that by 2050, 60 plus population expected to be almost triple. So now in 2015 in India, 9% of the population was retired, 60 plus. It is going to be around 20%. How it impact you? Why this data is important for you? This data is important for you that while you are planning your retirements, you have to plan for longer. And if you have to plan for longer, you need one product which can address that longevity of the life. So to address all these things, increased retirement period, the opportunity of be investor into Government of India borrowing program, to address your inflation, your taxation, to address falling interest rate, to address inflation, we have one solution at HDFC Life. And the solution is HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. Presenting Sanchay Plus, the highest guaranteed and tax-free return plan. How it is guaranteed, how it is tax-free, we'll talk. And to know more about them, all of you have to go through our brochures and you can consult your advisors. So we will discuss in detail, but what is this product? Mr. Sanjeev discussed it in a very nice manner in a single liner. So there are two options with all of you: long term, lifelong. How it work? You pay for 10 years, wait for 1 year. If you are paying 1 lakh every year per annum for 10 years, what you are going to get? On 1 lakh, on every 1 lakh paid, you are getting guaranteed 91,250, which is 91.25% guaranteed. For how long? 25 years. So you are paying for 10 years. I'm guaranteeing you for 25 years. It doesn't end here. On the maturity, I'm giving all your premiums back to you. 1, 10. So you paid me 10 lakh, I'm giving you 10 lakh back. This is guaranteed, this is tax-free. Lifelong option. I just spoke about average age is increasing. Retirements are going to be long. Probably retirement age is going to be equal to the age you earned. So either you have to work more in your life, or you have to save more, or you have to be in the right products. This product, lifelong, same. You pay for 10 years. You wait for 1 year. Here I'm paying you up to age 99. How much? You are paying me 1 lakh. I'm paying you 87,000. Same, 10 years, 10 years. Wait for 1 year. If you are giving me higher premiums, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, so I'm giving you additional between 1 to 2.5%. So this 91 will be, so this 91 will become 94. So let me explain now then that's what we are talking about. So we are talking about HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. Although this product has 4 options, but Bajaj Capital Research feels that these 2 options are more appropriate. So I'm sharing these 2 products with you. Lifelong income. You have 2 options here: pay for 5 years or pay for 10 years. Till when you will get your payouts income? Up to age 99. How much income? If you are paying 5 years, then it is 32% guaranteed. If you are paying 10 years, it is 89 guaranteed. 89 of what? Your annual premium. This product is for whom? Lifelong, for age 50 and 60. So if by chance any one of you feels that the retirement, the pension which you are getting is not as per your expenses, this product is a super fit for you, because I'm giving you a new avenue for pension. Someone who is even in so means you are in your 50s, 51, 52, now I can save more, because rest of the things I have already done in my life. So let me plan something. So you can look for this long-term income. Same, you can pay for 5 or 10 years, get income for 25 or 30 years. So means if you are paying 5 pay, it is 33%. If you are paying 10, it is 93 plus 2% extra if it is 5 lakh and above. Now this product is for everyone, 5 to 60. So Mr. Sanjeev was referring that he bought this product for his children. Now this is the option if some grandfather, grandmother want to gift this product. So then this is the option. If they want to make them life insured, although, yeah, right? Or if you want to buy it for your son, daughter. So this is the product, lifelong income, where you get 93% of your annual premium, plus we give you all the things back. So these are the 2 products. Now let let me make them more clear to you. If you see the subject line, what I pay, what I get. How long, how much? What I pay, what I get, how long, how much? So we are talking about these two products, long term. Okay, now because in this product, ultimately it's a life insurance, right? So then what is the insurance cover in this product? Okay, so now we have taken an example of 1 lakh only, and we are saying you are paying for 10 years, right? So what is the sum assured? It is 12,50,000. So this 12,50,000 is for 11 years till you are giving the money, right? And once your payout start for 25 years, that is 91,250. You paid me 1 lakh, I'm giving you 91,000. You paid me 1 lakh, I'm giving you 92,000. From when? 12th year up to 36th year. And finally, I'm giving you your 10 lakh back. 1 into 10. Same lifelong. What is the risk cover? Risk cover is 10,50,000 rupees. What you are getting against 1 lakh? 87,000 rupees. Till when you are getting? Up to age 99. And finally, you are getting your money back. Now, I'm sure all of you will agree with me that this kind of super product not a good investment for just a 1 lakh per month, per year. This is a product where someone should think about 1 lakh per month. And if so it become 10 lakh in a year. So if you are giving 10 lakh in this product, actually in the whole product composition, you will be getting 3.3 crores. I'll repeat what I'm saying. I'm saying you choose long-term income option. You paid for 10 years. So how much you paid? You paid me 1 crore. Now, if you think like this, 80,000 per month, okay, that's fine. And it become 10 lakh, right? And 10 lakh, yearly dena 10 lakh, but in 10 years, you collected 1 crore actually, right? Now, I'm guaranteeing you 93% of it for 25 years. So आपको ये against 1 crore कितना आपको मिल गया as a payout? 2.34 crores. And finally, I'll give you return of premium. So you got 3.534 crore. आप पूछेंगे मनीष return क्या बना? So the IRR is 5.68 in this example. What is IRR? I'm sure all of you know. In case if you don't, you can consult your advisor. He will take you through. And now this being a tax free, and if I go back to this slide, I told to get 5.75, you have to look for a FD kind of instrument of 8.4. So if you are in 30% tax bracket, so don't consider this just 5.68 or 5.75. Consider it's just way of looking at it. Just consider it's a 8% plus before tax, right? This is long-term income option where we have the highest IRR, which is 5.75. Once again, you pay me 10 years. This is specifically for 50 to 60 year age. How much you are paying me? 10 lakh per year. Means every month approximately 80,000 rupees. Not a big amount. How much I'm guaranteeing you? Approximately 89.50 of. So means 8,90,000 in this example. In this example, 9,37,000 rupees to be precise. And then I will start paying you money. If you entered at age 50, so from 61, I will start paying you this money until 99. I am paying you 3.49 crores. You paid me 1 crore. I'm paying you guaranteed 3.49 crores. But it doesn't end here. I'm also giving you return of premium. So total against 1 crore, this product is guaranteeing you 4.94 crores. I know some of you must be thinking, "Arey 99 tak kaun jeeta hai?" Right? So now let me tell you the uniqueness of this product is that once the payout starts, an unfortunate demise of life insured, this payout will continue to the nominee. And even if something happens to nominee before the policy terms comes to an end, that payout will be given to the legal heirs. So we call it a 3-generation product. I'll give you an example. Let's take an example. Customer age 5050 said, "I will buy HDFC Life Sanchay Plus lifelong income option. I will pay 10 lakh every year. So if I include 50 on 59, he will be done with his all the payments. So before he actually got retired from his job, he's done with this retirement planning. So 50 उसने शुरू किया, 50 में शुरू किया, 59 तक उसने हर साल 10-10 लाख रुपया दिया. 60th पीरियड इस प्रोडक्ट में कूलिंग ऑफ पीरियड है, मतलब ना हम आपसे कुछ पैसा ले रहे हैं ना हम आपको कुछ दे रहे. 61 एंड मैं आपको 10 लाख की जगह पे 8,95,000 8,95,000 रुपीज गारंटीड देना शुरू करूंगा up to age 99 of the customer. A customer has ऑप्शन के उसको इसको बिल्कुल पेंशन जैसा ही चाहिए, उसको मंथली चाहिए तो मंथली ले ले, क्वार्टरली ले ले. He can take monthly, quarterly as payout from 61 year end of the year. Now let's take a practical scenario. Customer turned 85 and he is no more, and nominee was his wife. So because this product is guaranteed till age 99 of customer and he has it and he is no more at 85, so 99 minus 85, 1 for 14 years. And let's assume his wife lives for another 10 years, so she is getting this payout 8,95,000 rupees, and she also passes away. 4 years are still left in the product. Those 4 years will go to the legal hire, and finally this 1 crore will be given to the legal hire. So this cash flow will not stop. But in first 10 years, 11 years, or before cash flow starts, if something happens to customer, he is covered for 1 crore. So it's a perfect retirement planning. You are that's how practically it works. आप सेव करते हैं, you save, you make your corpus, and you say अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो यार let me take a term plan. So this product is something like working like that only. कुछ हो गया तो 10 करोड़ मेरे से ले लेना, नहीं हुआ तो उस 10 करोड़ के ऊपर मैं आपको जिंदगी भर पैसा देता रहूंगा. Awesome product, unique product. That's why I'm saying how much I pay, how much I get. You pay 10 lakh per year, you get this amount monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and finally this is your thing, and this is your IRR. Now, why this product we are talking about so much, and why we have to take a quick decision on this product? Because we just saw that interest rates don't stay, they are going down. So are they impacting my offering? Is there any evidence that it impact my offering? So please zoom your screens. I'm zooming it for you, and please focus on this square with the red line. launch date. This product was launched in March 2019, and when we launched this product, you know, we used to give guarantee of principal ka 225% times in our guaranteed income option. In lifelong income, we used to give you guarantee of 100%. एक 10 lakh दो, 10 lakh लो. 1 crore दो, 1 crore लो. Give me 10 lakh and get this 10 lakh up to age 99. Now I'm saying I'll give you 80,000, 87,000, 89,000. But just exactly 1.5 years back, the same product used to give this rate. We missed it. I missed it even when I was in the system, because I feel that I'm an equity guy. You know, that is not meant for me. I have to become Warren Buffett, so I have to be in equities only. So I missed it. If you see, now this 100 become 84. This 105 become 88. This 225 become 197. And this happened on 13th March 2020, just 2 months back, because continuously RBI was cutting the rates, right? How it impacted my IRR? In lifelong income option, where the IRR is to be 6.36, means approximately for a 30-35% tax bracket guy, a fixed income product kind of 10% or 11%, right? Now, in this March, after a year, it's dropped to 5.63. Everything dropped. On 2nd June, we got a good news from our management. They said, look, everywhere interest rates are going down. We have some good long-term securities already with us in our treasury. We have some space to take some more policies and more subscribers. If you can bring them, we are increasing this rate for some time. So we increase our IRRs between 12 to 43 bips. All of us know that interest rates are falling. HDFC Life took a conscious call. They had some securities backing it. They have some space to book more policies on this rate. So we launched this limited period option that if you missed at 5.88, sorry, 6.36, if you missed at 6.13, if you missed at 5.85, don't miss at 5.75, because from here I personally don't see any reason it is going up in near future. Now, before I ask for that you have any question and all, last 15 months I have a long repository of what are the commonly asked questions by clients. So let me tell them also to you, so that, you know, before you ask me anything, I can try to answer that. Question number 1, what if life insured dies during payout period? Will cash flow continue to nominee? Yes, it will, I told you. Question number 2, what if nominee also dies during payout time? Payout will continue till policy term and legal heir can claim. 3, it's a fixed income product. Do you deduct TDS? No, there's no TDS. Now we have seen Yes Bank happening. We saw, sorry, I'm just taking names, but we saw a lot of things happening on that side. So there are a lot of risks which we used to read in theory, that, you know, in debt there's something called reinvestment risk, default risk, interest rate risk, you know. Are these risks exposed to Sanchay Plus also, mark to market risk? No, because I'm guaranteeing you, you don't have to worry about कि HDFC Life का जो bond जब mature हो जाएगा वो कहाँ पे invest करेगा. Reinvestment risk is mine, default risk is mine, interest rate risk is mine, mark to market is mine. Then question comes, my son, my daughter, they are now US citizens, they are in Canada citizens, they are PIO. They are NRIs. Can they buy it? Can NRI buy Sanchay Plus? Yes, NRI can buy. US, Canada, whatever, I can buy. There's no restriction. There's some extra documents. Although now because of COVID, we have some 7 countries, including US, Canada, where we are not doing it. But otherwise, yes, everyone can buy it. Sorry. Oh, this is insurance. If this is insurance, you guys are going to ask me for medicals. I don't want to go for medicals. Fine. Do you have your own medical reports, which are 4 to 6 months old? Give me, I will take them. So yes, I can take them. Okay, in life insurance, there's a GST. You are showing me this example of 1 lakh rupee or 10 lakh, but you haven't added GST into it. Because when you will add the GST, IRR will go down. So is your IRR is also calculating GST? Yes, I have calculated that. So after going all those things, still, but why I should buy HDFC Sanchay Plus? Why? I tell you why you should buy. No plan can be easy than this to understand and explain. If you have to go back to your wife or your wife has to tell you कि एक plan HDFC life का कैसे काम करता है, कुछ नहीं यार, मेरे को 10 साल देना है, वो 25 साल मेरे को वापस करेंगे. इससे इजी कोई प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है क्या? मेरे को 10 साल देना है, वो मेरे को अप टू एज 99 तक देंगे. कितना देना है, कितना देंगे, कब देंगे, सब कुछ फिक्स है. डेट फिक्स है, टाइम फिक्स है, अमाउंट फिक्स है. कौन दे रहा है? HDFC Life. So this plan is quite too easy to understand and explain. We clearly know exact cash flow, but you can see these are guaranteed payout exempted from tax as per the prevailing tax laws. Then someone come back to me and said, once again, our big daddy, big brother, LIC has X product और Y कंपनी है Z प्रोडक्ट, वो गारंटी वो भी देते हैं, गारंटी उनके पास एन्युटीज हैं. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड, एन्युटीज आर टैक्सेबल. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट टैक्सेबल. सो no other income strategy can lock in interest rate income for such a long tenure. That's the reason you have to buy this product. Interestingly, this product also giving you 10-time insurance cover during premium paying term accumulation phase. When you want to save 1 crore, for saving 1 crore you have to save. If something happens here, then what? I'm giving you 10-time cover. You can take monthly payout, quarterly payout, annual payout. Resident Indian, NRI, PIO, MWP. I run a business. My business run on lot of leverage. Can I buy this policy that if something happens to my business, if I'm throwing 2 names just for the wrong example, but if Vijay Malla happens to me, or if CCD thing happened to me, the loans which I took should not go to my bankers. Can I protect? Yes, buy this product under MWP. This will go to your spouse. Oh, I'm divorcee. I don't have wife. Okay, you can take it MWP for your kids. I'm a working woman. Can't I buy this product for me? Yes, even working woman can buy it. Means a business woman can buy a product under MWP for kids, not for husband. So people who are into their own businesses, they are into high leverages business, and they have given personal guarantees for their loans and businesses. They should buy this product with the huge premiums, big premiums, and they should book it under MWP. And a small information, MWP can be attached with the policy only when you buy the policy, not after buying the policy. Can I take it employee? I have 10 employees. I want to retain them for long term. They are asset to me. I will pay premium for them. Yes, you can buy employee. Premium paid by you for your employees is tax saving under section 37(1) for you, and then you can do that. So there are n number of reasons that why you should not buy this product. Question comes, how we do it? What is the secret sauce? How HDFC Life can give this guarantee for 12 to 38, 39 years? How we do it? So I'm reading out it for you. The investment strategy coupled with a robust ALM process, asset liability management process around interest rates. So the whole focus of this product is interest rates falling, going up, which security, what is the impact, what are the long-term securities which we have to bought, and we have to buy those securities equal to our liabilities. So asset and liability. My liability is that I have to pay you for 25, 30 years. So when I will creating an asset against it, it would be equally in term or equally into the rate which I'm guaranteeing to you. So we have a process for that, ALM process, which allows to offer a superior IRR. थोड़ा बुकिश हो गया, थोड़ा और इजी वे में बताता हूँ. So we use a cash flow matching approach of ALM. What does that mean? If you gave me money today, right? From 11th year, I have to start paying you money. And I know how much money I have to pay. I will buy a security of 11 years where I know that this much money I have to give it to you. Right? Point number one. Point number two, high credit quality fixed income securities. Now here, I am guaranteeing you, so I am as an organization on a more risk because I have guaranteed it. So I have to go for government bonds or AAA rated papers only. So high credit fixed income securities are purchased so to meet the tenure and amount of contractual liabilities. So that is point number two. Three, what is the tenure I buy these GSECs? I can buy, so the tenure of GSEC purchase depend on the contract tenure, and we can go up to 40 years. Before doing this session, I was checking that what is the rate of 30, 35, what is the coupon on a GSEC of 25, 30, 35 years. It was 0.28%. You Google, you will come to know. But the challenge was that when the government come with the auction for 1,000 crore, the bid was 6,000 crores. When government wanted to issue 1,000 crore, the bid was for 6,000 crore because all the EPF, EPFO, they would like to buy that security. So then you have to have one manager for you, like HDFC and all, who has huge treasury, and they can get some good fair allocation on these auctions. Right? 4, buy and hold. All of you would have heard about fixed maturity plans, FMPs. Why we invest in FMPs? Because FMPs are safe. There's no mark-to-market risk, barring default risk. So you can consider it as a 25-year, 35-year FMP. Although it's a life insurance, it's not FMP. But if you are from mutual fund background, as I am, so I always do these comparisons. So probably it's a buy and hold approach followed, which eliminate the impact of market volatility on our ability to meet policyholders' liabilities. Apart from that, our regulator, IRDA, Mr. Bajaj very clearly, categorically told while he was talking about investment pattern, IRDA asked us to ensure to quantify contractual liability on a prudent basis, and also require them to have sufficient asset ring fencing to meet these liabilities. So we have to report quarterly to RBI our solvency margins. Solvency margins are company specific, scheme specific. कंपनी में अगर एक किसी भी टाइम पे क्लेम आ जाए 100, तो हमारे पास 150 रुपीज होने चाहिए देने के लिए, वो गया कंपनी लेवल. Then it is scheme specific also. In scheme specific, we have to do that. Then IRDA says that you have to invest 50% into GSEC in such kind of product, guaranteed product. We invest more than that. So you can rest assured, you can feel quite safe about it, that how we do it, and we are doing it very well. So that's is all from my side. Now I will love to hear your feedback, your inputs, your questions. Over to all of you.
Yeah, Manish, one question we are getting is that can an HUF buy this product?
Yes, HF can also buy this product.
Okay, and another question that has been asked many times, that I am above 60 or I am looking at a single premium option, then what's the best opportunity for me, or what's the best option for me? Uh, here, here I would like to say that this product in particularly is not designed for being a single premium, but if you are looking at a single premium guaranteed returns insurance plan, then there is a amazing product called Tata from Tata Life Insurance, which is called Tata Grip, which is a single premium product. You pay the premium, you wait for 5 years, and then depending upon your age, for the rest of your life, you get you get a guaranteed interest rate, which is between 7.6 to about 8.7, 8.8. But yeah, although these sounds like 7.7, 8.8, but aapki jo return is around 5.2, 5.3% IRR, because this interest rate is starting after 5 years. But the advantage is that this is absolutely tax-free. So if you are, if you are a high taxpayer, then this is an amazing product for you that you should consider. Also, above 60, you can always message us and we will get back to you with a pure customized advice. They are very good government products for senior citizens, which you can evaluate taking. And also there are a lot of other good, exciting products that can be offered. Whereas this product is basically meant for people who are accumulating for retirement or who are below. Manish, what's the maximum age at entry for this product?
60.
Okay, so a lot of people are asking about the 5-pay option because they don't want to go for 10 years. So if you can just explain the 5-pay option, how it works.
So it works same way. If it's long-term income, long-term income means where we give money up to 25 years. So in this case, you pay for 5 years, 6th year there's a cooling off period, and 7th year end, you will start getting approximately 33% of the premium paid, but then it is guaranteed for 30 years. If it is 10 years, then it is 25 years. And if it is 5-pay, then it is 30 years. And finally, will give you your premium back. Same way it works for long-term income. There it up to age 99 only. The only thing is that that guaranteed amount, which is around 89%, comes to approximately 31, 32%. Yeah.
Okay. So Manish, I remember last time you had also said this is a question which is coming up. What if a person can't pay the premium for the whole premium payment term, and he has to stop paying the premium? Then what happens in this plan?
Okay, so the product says that you have to pay all the premiums, right? But once you pay minimum 2 premiums, then after that, I'll answer this question with an example. Let's assume you said I'll be paying 10 lakh every year for 10 years. So you were supposed to pay me 1 crore. Now you paid me only 5 premiums, 50 lakh, right? So then the benefit which was supposed to come on 10 lakh in percentage, same benefit I will give on 5 lakh because you paid me 50% of what you were supposed to pay. So it is proportionately, I will convert it into your premium, but your payouts will remain same and it will start as it is. So minimum 2 premiums has to pay for that.
So that's an amazing benefit. So point is that if for some reason you're not able to pay the whole premium, you will still get the proportionate benefit. So say the perception is that if you paid only 2-3 premiums, you end up losing a lot of money. So that is not the case in this plan.
Yes, absolutely right.
Okay, and also there is what is the life cover? If you can explain that by an example. A lot of people are asking this question.
Okay.
That what is the life cover under this plan?
Okay. So the life cover under this plan is, it is minimum 10 times and maximum 1, 5, 15 times. Lower the age, cover is high, and maximum it is 10 times. So I'll take example. Someone is giving me premium of 5 lakh rupees. So with the logic of 10 times, the minimum cover is 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But if age is less, less means let's assume 35, because this 10 time is at 60. So if someone is at 55, then it may be 10.05. If he's 45, then it may be 11 times. So that's how it is mentioned in brochure. But as a thumb rule, it is bare minimum 10 times. If you pay me 2 lakh, then 20 lakhs. If you pay me 5 lakh, then 50 lakhs. If you pay me 1 crore, then it is 10 crores. Bare minimum, but it can go up to 15 times, 1, 5, 15 times.
Okay, so is there a waiver of premium also, or this will be paid upfront?
There is no waiver of premium concept in this product. So this premium has to be paid as it is, and the cover is still, we are not starting the payouts. Once payout starts, then there's no cover, because then we are guaranteeing you the payouts for next 25 to 38 years. So cover is still accumulation.
Okay. So Manish, there are a lot of questions which have come on board. So if you can just look at the chat window and you can answer some of those questions, that will be really helpful, please.
I will help Manish on that. Manish,
Yeah,
also one
please.
point we need to re-emphasize.
Yeah.
Typically, what happens in a retirement solution is we don't plan for ourselves.
Yeah.
We plan for ourselves and our spouse.
Yes.
And most of the retirement plans, in competition or otherwise, they help you plan for income for you, and after your death, unfortunately, they would refund some money.
Yes.
But when my spouse is 70 or 75, I
Yeah.
don't want to leave her a lump sum.
Yes.
I want to leave her with the income.
Yes.
Which is where this product Sanchay Plus scores 10 by 10 as per Bajaj Capital recommendation.
Oh, nice. That's an interesting point.
Yeah, because my choice is not about planning for myself, but more importantly, planning for my wife.
Yeah.
That is the Indian mindset, especially.
So I'll add something to a very practical example. That someone asked me that, look, I'm 55. Should I go for lifelong income or should I go for long-term income? Because age 55 guy can get both of them, right?
Yes.
So, and he himself said, look, I don't want to leave this money because 99 and all, it is going to go to my kids someday. But I want to enjoy the maximum till I'm there. So let it come to me, and once 25 years are over, I will get the lump sum money. Now because if suppose some age 50 guy think about it, so 50 plus 35 is just 85, and 85 is a reasonable planning. So this customer was saying, at age 85 now, if I am getting a lump sum, probably I'm in a better position to give it from my own hands to my kids than they are getting after my death. So that there will be a lot of difference when I'm giving myself or they're getting after my death. So that is something which I thought I'll just share with you. That how this
question just came up on taxation. So on behalf of Bajaj Capital, I would like to address. Question is, can future government regulations make the returns susceptible to taxation? Yes, sir. The answer is yes. Whatever government rules come, in whatever form it will come, everybody has to abide by it. As simple as that. But it is better to have a guarantee today with preferably a tax-free guarantee today, rather than repenting tomorrow when the regulation changes for everybody in the environment. Regulation may also say that from a cutoff date, whatever products are bought, they will become taxable. So it's better to lock in today than wait for tomorrow.
Yeah, so let me answer that. When the government has any power to change any rule, and so point is, for nobody can say that this won't be possible. But typically what is done is that all changes are made from the future. They are not generally done retrospective. because that's taken as a highly negative. So again, even if in future the returns are made taxable, it is very unlikely that if you have bought today and when you were promised a tax-free return, that it would get made taxable. So that's very, very unlikely. And in that scenario, there are options for you to take up the money back. Also, those options are available in the plan. And Manish, I would request you to kindly explain that. So that's also a good feature, that if a person is taking regular income but he wants a lump sum for any reason, how does that work? And also there is a question that comparing this to GOI bonds, which are 7.75% taxable. Point is that GOI bonds are no longer available because interest rates are coming down. Government understands that that interest rates are likely to reduce, and they have to reduce it. So GOI bonds are no longer available, and they were 7.75% taxable. If you are in a 30% bracket, you reduce it by 30%. Then Sanchay Plus still becomes a better option at 5.8 to 6%.
Yeah, so on liquidity, I was about to come. Thanks for bringing that. In this product, it's a very, very nice product in terms of liquidity. So let's break the whole product in accumulation phase, payout phase, right? So let's talk about first accumulation phase. Now, in accumulation phase, after 2 years, all the policies, and if there's a need, you can surrender the policies, and there are guaranteed surrender values given on the brochure. So on 8th, 9th, 10th year, you reach up to 90% of the money which you paid as a surrender value, which is guaranteed. That is the first liquidity you have. Second liquidity is, if you don't want to surrender, you can take a loan from HDFC Life. Currently, the rate is around 9.75, which will come down now. And we will give you loan against the surrender value. Whatever is the surrender value, 80% of that can be taken as loan. So that is the second liquidity. Third, I'll go back to my same example. Age 50, someone started giving 10 lakh rupees. 61, he started taking the payouts. Till 75, enjoyed the payouts. 76th year, he need money. He know that for even next 20 years, some 8 lakh is guaranteed by HDFC, and finally 1 crore. If he wants to take all those future cash flows and lump sum today, we will do that. What we will do after 10 years of the payouts, whatever is the government security 10-year yield, we will discount the future payouts with the present value and we'll give it to him. So that's another way of liquidity. And practically, it may also happen that in the same example, when this life insured is no more, his son may also say that, look, my father wanted these payouts. I don't want, I want everything lump sum. So when he can take that. So that's how liquidity option is there. You can take, although it's always advisable to take all the cash flows, not the present value of future cash flows. But liquidity is there.
Yeah. And also, a question that has come up is that, if a person for some reason wants to move from HDFC pension plan, they have taken HDFC personal pension plan and they want to move to Jeevan Sanchay Plus. This is a very specific question to a gentleman. Is that option available? I know HDFC is a highly customer-centric organization, and it is one of the very few organizations that enables these type of things. So is that possible even beyond 1 year?
I'm afraid that this would be possible, because for the simple reason, if you take money before the maturity of pension plan, it is totally taxable, including your principal. And once your pension plan mature, then 1/3 you can take out and you can buy this product.
No. Manish, the question is, the gentleman has bought an HDFC personal pension plan where he's still paying the premium. Okay, so he wants to know, can he convert a plan from HDFC one plan to a Sanchay Plus if Sanchay Plus makes more sense for him?
I'm afraid I don't think so he can, but still I'll get back. But
Yeah.
I'm
So,
not.
so the gentleman who has asked this question, we'll get back to you on this. Another question that has come up is that Franklin Templeton question has come up, that how they stop the debt schemes. So
Yeah.
can something like that happen with HDFC? And especially with this product. So if you can just explain the non-par concept and the guarantee. I will simply say this is very difficult in a life insurance setting because there is a corporate guarantee that goes with that. I will let Manish explain it further.
Yeah, so we can break it in two parts. One, Insurance Act, when it was passed, right? So there is some section, subsection 57(1) and all, which talks about that. What if? So what can be the possibility when someone is not, when the insurance company is not paying the guaranteed things? This can be only when there's a default, not on the paper side but on the insurance company side, because as I told you that we have to manage 150% as solvency for product. But how you can be rest assured is that you can Google it also. Now Sahara Life Insurance got closed because they were not doing good, and regulator came in and they merged them with ICICI Pru. So whatever policies been given by Sahara and whatever norms they given, they are still getting all the benefits. So one, regulator is there, you don't have to worry. Second, as I told you that the whole machinery which differentiate this product and give confidence to us is that our asset liability management process is around this only. That we are not getting into papers, and to avoid that, I told you we are maximum in GSEC and we are maximum into AAA. Whereas the example which is quoted by someone else, all of there it was AAA and below that actually they were not quality papers. So that was the issue there. But with us, regulator, HDFC, then our portfolio. These are the three things which will not let it happen.
Manish, people are asking the question of a comparison of GRIP, Tata GRIP with HDFC Sanchay Plus. Would you like to answer that?
I can. We did some small analysis. That's a wonderful product. I appreciate that's a nice product. But to get that kind of return, you have to give a lump sum, big lump sum, like 50 lakh, 1 crore or 10 lakh or something like that, right? So I just did a small maths. I did a small maths that, okay, suppose you are saying I'll give 50 lakh rupees and then I will get X amount, right? So I said, let's do one thing. Let's keep that 50 lakh in a liquid fund or FD or something like that. And give me 5 lakh rupees in my Sanchay product. Okay. So when you do that, what will happen? First year you will make money on 40 lakh, which is left. Then on 30, then 20 and 10. And I'm taking 5 lakh from you in my Sanchay. When you do the IRR calculation, including my payouts plus that interest which FD rate is going to give you, I will score over. So by giving that 50 lakh one time, you are compromising on your liquidity. But by keeping out of that 50 lakh, 45 lakh with you and 5 lakh with me year on year, liquidity is in your hand and you are end up making more returns. I'll send you that comparison. I have made that.
Yeah. Okay, so let me jump in here. I think Tata GRIP and Sanchay Plus are very similar plans. On the regular premium option, I think Sanchay Plus is better because it ends up offering a 5.75 to 5.8% sort of a guaranteed return. And what I will recommend to you is whenever you're dealing with your Bajaj Capital advisor, ask him to show you the exact IRR that you will get for your age, so that you are absolutely clear. Whereas a Tata GRIP is a very good plan, but it will end up giving you about 5.2 to 5.3% IRR. So point is 0.5% IRR interest rate makes a lot of difference in the long run. So at the moment, Sanchay Plus is more attractive on the regular premium side. But whereas GRIP has one advantage is that GRIP has a single premium option, which is also amazing. So point is there was a question asked. Look, this is a locked in product. तो इसमें ना there is no liquidity. थोड़ा सा आपका पैसा lock in हो रहा है, तो इसमें आप अपना 10 से 20% से ज्यादा corpus इसमें नहीं डालिएगा. Because at the end of the day, everybody needs a liquidity in his portfolio. So you should not put more than 10 to 20% of your corpus into this product. Whereas Sanchay GRIP is a single premium option. So either you can do this, that you can buy a regular premium Sanchay and an FD, or you can simply buy a GRIP. So GRIP is a beautiful product on a single premium. I Manish, sorry, but I have to give an honest answer that on a single premium, it is a beautiful product.
Now, I appreciate that. I appreciate
So there are some more questions which are coming up. Is that okay? There is a question on compare with Jeevan Umang with this product. So Manish, have you done any comparison with Jeevan Umang, or should I take that out question?
You can take that. As per me, it's a annuity plan, and if it is so, it is a taxable. But you can answer because I haven't done any such comparison.
No. Jeevan Umang is basically a whole life plan which has been launched by LIC. So, but difference between Umang and Sanchay Plus is that Umang is a par plan.
Participating.
I'd initially explained to you the difference between a par and a non-par. Par means that there is no guarantee. Okay, that whatever is the return that LIC will earn less their expenses. So whatever is what is called the distributable surplus, you will be paid 90% of that. And the illustration you are seeing and what the agent is showing you, or what even Bajaj Capital offers that product, what we will show you is an estimation. Okay, but that estimation works very well when the interest rates remain high. But if the interest rates in the future become 2%, 3%, then those the bonuses that are being declared will go down, and the earnings will come down. So those products have in the illustration you have a two interest rate scenario in a par product, 4% and 8%. So please look at the illustration and understand that if the returns fall, that product is going to have to reduce its return, and it will automatically reduce. It's not that LIC will have an option, but they'll automatically reduce. Whereas Sanchay Plus is a totally guaranteed plan where they are saying that, okay, this is the premium, this is the guarantee. If they are not able to pay the guarantee, it will come from their corpus that they have created. If that corpus can't meet the guarantee, then it will have to come from the shareholders. So these are fully guaranteed plans. So please look at this product, whether that non-participating or participating. This is very, very important for you to understand whether the returns are guaranteed. So simply put, Umang is not guaranteed. It is an estimation. Sanchay Plus is a guaranteed. And when you are going in for a 30-year plan, in this scenario where the interest rates are definitely likely to go down, I would say that it's better to go for a guaranteed return plan.
I would like to add here one thing. There's a tip for all of users that how to make it out, because we get confused that is this product guaranteed or not. Or whenever you see one policy document or a brochure, under the name of the product, there would be written something called non-linked, non-participating product, or they would have written non-profit product, or with profit product, or participating product. So 3 words: par, participating, profit, with profit. So anything which is saying with profit or par or participating, that means those products cannot be fully guaranteed. They can be partially guaranteed, but not fully. But a product which is saying non-participating or without profits, if it is written, rest assured that this product have the capacity to guarantee you something. So that's a small tip.
Yeah. And one question has been asked that, you want a comparative of all the products. Please, that is our responsibility and we should give the comparative of all the products. But typically what we do at Bajaj Capital, especially on our insurance side, and you have met Vinay Taluja and his teams in solutions. So what they do is that they will scan the market, pick up the top 5-6 products and only a big and showcase them to you. Rather than, because insurance, there are so many insurance companies and there are hundreds of plans. So what we do is we showcase to you the top 5, 6, 7 products. So yes, but if you want comparison with any product or the total class, that is possible. Sanchay Plus today competes with Tata Grip. These are the 2 best products in this segment. So again, if you want to compare them, we would definitely advise you to compare. Jeevan Umang is also a nice product because I like LIC as a company, as I have already shared that I am a Jeevan Suraksha policy holder, and I have bought Jeevan Shri, I bought their other non-par plans. I have benefited from LIC tremendously, but that is a par plan. So you have to understand the risk associated with a par plan, and so that needs to be understood. Today, this is actually one of the best products out there, and it's a limited period option. These interest rates have till now been increased till 30th of June, and this product till then, please do evaluate it. There are more questions coming in.
One question is about NPS at age 40. Would NPS make more sense with equity exposure or a product like Sanchay Plus? So from a Bajaj Capital house view, Mr. Bajaj also told you friends that we are not here to tell you to buy only debt or only equity, but a right mix of asset allocation between equity and debt at different ages is what will make your product portfolio very healthy, makes your returns beat inflation, and help you achieve your long-term goals without taking undue risk. So it is not a question of choice between NPS and Sanchay Plus. Both are critical products as part of your portfolio.
So I will add here. So the only thing is that if you are looking for adding one product where you are very, very clear that what you are going to get. For example, if today you are supposed to make a cash flow after age 60, you are in a situation and you want to make a cash flow. कहता है यार मेरे को at 6 or 50 you want early retirement. आप कह रहे हैं कि 50 पे I will get retired and to run my household expenses I need this. Now you can do various permutation combination that I will get this much return in this product, that much return, but in this product you can write it till to 0.00, that okay 6,598, 6,958. so that is where you have to take a decision that you want a clear cut cash flow want to see in future, then go for this. If you are saying that okay I will decide later on that मेरा 100 का 200 बन गया, अब मुझे cash flow कैसे लेना है, so that is the difference.
Yeah, and let me just add, NPS and this Sanchay Plus are not comparable.
Yes.
Okay, so I would say that you need to have both in your portfolio because this is asset allocation. Okay, NPS up to 50,000, which gives you a special tax benefit, you save 30% is a no-brainer. वो तो आपको लेना ही चाहिए अगर आपने, because at the end of the day आप 50,000 रुपए invest करते हो, 30% आपका tax बच रहा है. That means you're on day one making that 30% return. So point is that and plus that's like you're investing in a balanced fund. But I won't say put all your eggs in one basket because that again the debt fund is going to be linked to the current rates in the market. If the interest rates reduce, the debt fund return will come down. On the equity side, it is linked to the market. And yes, equity needs to be a part of your portfolio. So it's a very good option for you to have it. And equity in future is actually going to be more important or equally important to debt. So point is that yes, that is an important product. Sanchay Plus, what it does is that it gives you a guarantee. आपको पता है कि what you are looking at, you're guaranteeing. Example, a person has a very good high income at the moment. Okay, he can spare 1 lakh rupees a month. So if he puts in that 1 lakh rupees for that period, and after that he's guaranteed of a 1 lakh rupees for the next 25 to 30 years, I think it's a great benefit to have. Where today, and especially a lot of people who buy these products are people who have huge incomes, like film stars or artists or other people who are having a very good lump sum incomes, or people who are on job. So at the end of the day, they want to ensure if something happens to their job, still they have an X amount of money coming in for their family every month. So it is good. Another question that Shanti ji has asked is that IRDA mandates that the cover has to be 10 times, and after the payout starts, the cover ceases. Then how is it tax free? So Shanti ji, let me clarify the government rules and the IRDA rules which mandate a life cover say that there needs to be a 10-time life cover during the premium payment term. So once the premium payment term is over after 10 years, then even if the life cover is not there, the policy has actually matured. So that 1010D benefit has actually started accruing. So you are actually under 1010D, and all returns from a life insurance product are absolutely tax-free. So if anybody has any, maybe we can take a couple of final questions. I know we are over time. Any final questions, if anybody has, or any person whose question may have got missed, if you still have a question, please do ask. And there are a lot of people who want comparisons. We have these comparison available between all product segments, because that's a part of our research. And we do get these comparisons along with our partner companies. Bajaj Capital, doesn't believe in partnering with one company. We believe in offering the best options to our clients. So we do partner with all life insurance companies who we feel are safe and have got a good claim ratio. Because for us, life insurance is not about when you buy insurance. It's about if you ever have the need for a claim. And today, one thing we are proud of Bajaj Capital is that we have 100% claim settlement ratios. So most of the insurance companies are also very scared of us. More than 50% of the claims are lodged by Bajaj Capital, because when we go and we are trying to renew a policy, we know there is some incident which has happened with the insured. A lot of time their family doesn't know, or they have not found the policy. So, so we are the ones who are actually lodging the complaint, the claim, and ensuring that the paid to the family or whoever is the beneficiary that was signed in the plan. So it is very, very important. And one final thing I'll say, that we are in a time, guys. If at this time we don't understand the need for insurance, we will never will. So please don't get yourself underinsured. Because what happens with coronavirus is that when a lot of people bought a family group floater policy, yes, 5 lakh rupee family floater health insurance was very good in a normal circumstances, but in a corona circumstances, what is happening is that if corona is coming into a family, everybody is getting affected, and we are seeing that 5 lakh rupees or 7 lakh rupees is getting wiped out very quickly. So I will definitely recommend you to definitely go for a super top up. Even if you don't want to buy a new health insurance, it only costs couple of thousand rupees. But you can increase your cover from 5 to 7 lakhs to 25, 30 lakh rupees, which today makes sense. But you have to remember that whenever you buy, there will be a 30-day waiting period. So please don't procrastinate this decision. Don't delay it. Please take this decision. Aaj aap usko apna super top up to lijiye. It is very important for your portfolio. So Vinay, handing it over to you for some final words and closure, please.
Thank you, Mr. Bajaj and Manish. There was one last question which is tempting me to reply. Clients are asking, is there any closing date for Sanchay Plus? I would say there is no closing date of this product, friends, but as Manish has shown you in his previous slides, the product has undergone interest rate changes or the return changes over the last 1 year, 3-4 times. Only in the last 1 month, they have increased the returns because they had some margin available, as Manish said. So we are expecting by end of this month, this higher return option may be withdrawn. Product may continue, but with lower return. Somebody also asked that perhaps after a year's time, interest rates will harden, will increase. So should I wait for 1 year? So sir, that's your call. Risk is on you because we don't expect that the product may also survive because HDFC will outrun the securities as a support which they have. So product may not be available. So we can't delay, as Mr. Bajaj also said. We can't procrastinate certain financial decisions which are directly benefiting our family. So we are all here for our family members. So we must take our decisions to invest and to protect our family members today and not tomorrow. So with this, I would like to thanks everyone.
Sorry. I saw two very interesting questions.
Okay.
Let me answer them. One, someone wanted to know that can grandparent can buy that on grandchild name? Yes, they can buy. Number one. Number two, someone said that if today he's buying and after 2 years they want to increase the sum assured, so definitely you can take another policy. For example, if you took policy today and after 2 years interest rates start going up, and we also increase our payouts, so definitely you can buy another top up or new product into that.
Sure.
Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Friends, new products will always keep on coming, but what we live is in today. So with this, I would like to give a vote of thanks to all of you who have joined us today, spent some precious time. I hope you have got some benefit, some information from this session today, and you would like to implement it in your day-to-day life. Thank you very much.
Vinay, one final thing I like to say that insurance also offers a 45-day free look.
30
days. For any reason, any person is not happy with an insurance plan, even after you have bought it, you always have a way out. But at the end of the day, you have to take a decision on time. So, I hope you found this webinar useful. We look forward to your suggestions, and we hope to keep interacting with you, keep answering your questions, and keep adding value to your lives. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Edwin, please keep the chat open till the time people log out.